Today is Thursday, the 19th of March, 2020. Welcome to Dex Fx Markets, and we're here for the daily results. Okay, signal results. Let's start with the dailies. Last 24 hours, every signal is fired off at 100%. For the 7 days, the lowest asset statistic, 87.5. It's first thing in the morning here and I haven't got my glasses on, but 87.5, and I believe that's the AUD JPY. Okay, the last 30 days, the lowest asset statistic, 94.7. So 94.7, yes, and that's AUD JPY. But I would expect nothing less, with all these being in the mid to high percentage. And these are the signals, certainly the data that I take and utilize when using the ZDAN bot, or ZDAN bot, for example, which is giving fantastic and awesome results for myself, even during these turbulent times. Okay, moving on. 1 hour TNT, which is really what you all want to see and not me waffling on. Last 24 hours, Euro JPY, excuse me, at 75%, and the USD JPY, but as I said yesterday, the USD CAD has caught back up and is now back up to 100%. Moving on for the week, last 7 days, the lowest statistic now is again the AUD USD, and that's at 76.2. And for the last 30 days, $78.7 Great British Pound USD. Just double checking that. But everything else, again, is mid-80s, high 80s onwards. So more than happy with that. Okay, the 2 hour TNT. For those that have just joined us, TNT stands for Trend, Negate and Trade. 2 hours set up the lowest asset statistic for the last 24 hours is the USD JPY at 75%. For the week, the last 7 days, the lowest statistic is USD CAD, and that's at 66.7. I'm sure they'll catch up by the end of the month. Everything else is doing swimmingly well. Okay, and for the last 30 days, obviously the lowest statistic again is the USD CAD, but it's catching up from compared to yesterday. Now, just checking, that is the lowest statistic. Yes, it is. Okay, so again, a superb 30 days so far. Well, it's not so far because it is in 30-day blocks. Okay, the 5-minute TNT, the beasts of all beasts, 116 signals in the last 24 hours, so that's very good, awesome. But you'd expect nothing less for the 5 minutes. And again, for the day, the lowest is at 89.5, that's Great British Pound JPY. For the last 7 days a week, everything is above 94.4. And for the month, again, everything is well into the 90s. So a superb 30 days as well for the 5 minutes. Moving back to the home page, if you've stumbled across this video and would like more information, please pop over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. That way we can give you more updates on what is happening with the latest news world events that's happening with our trading, and the Dex Fx Markets results and successes. I have to excuse me, it's still very early in the morning, 06:43 GMT time, and this is Paul signing off. Have a fantastic day, trade safely, trade well, and we'll hopefully speak to you all tomorrow. And if we don't see you on the inside, you never know what you're missing.